Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel, Sri's Delight. Either it is a festival or a function, wherever I go, my friends will ask me where I buy my jewelries. Everyone loves my collections, so I'll be telling them, keep on telling them that I buy in my Malabar Gold and Diamonds. So today, luckily I got a call saying that they got Diwali collections. Usually we are a customer here since 10 years, so whenever there's a new collections here, we'll be getting a message. So even for this Diwali also we got a message that there is some Diwali collections. So today I thought of sharing these collections with you also. Now we'll go into a jewelry shop. Look at these beautiful collections they have here. Here in this Malabar Gold and Diamonds, they have varieties for all people, for office going people, for college going people, to daily wear, occasional wear, wedding jewelries, and even for a small simple parties also. They have lots of collections, lots of varieties. Each variety is unique. Here in this video, I'm just showing only the Diwali collections. They have very wide range of collections for bangles, very simple bangles to a grand bangles, precious stones bangles, diamond bangles, even uncut diamonds. Not only bangles, they even have some bracelets, just so beautiful. And they have some Arabic designs of bangles also here, which looks so beautiful. Since this is a Diwali season, they have lots of Indian traditional bangles also. We feel so comfortable when we enter into this golden diamonds. I mean Malabar Golden Diamonds. They give a very nice hospitality. So when we enter to buy the gold, a specific salesman is appointed to us until we finish all our shoppings. They will assist us and show us each and every jewelry, and they sometimes give advice also, like how to buy, like what to buy according to our budget. Here all the jewelries has a unique craftsmanship. It's so beautiful, very different and very detailed crafting. In this year's collection, one choker was one of my favorite one, and this is the one. It's so beautiful. Some modern touches in that. I think this is the apt for this Diwali. You can see like little bit stars, small stars, hearts, pendant like thing. There are two peacocks, and here when it comes here, there's an idol of Lakshmi who is carrying a wealth pot. Two elephants behind her, a small tiny elephants. And this earring is so beautiful. Women carrying diyas. The ruby stones, hanging drops. This looks so beautiful. So coming to the pendant here, Lakshmi, she's having a wealth pot with the tiny elephants behind her and a very small tiny lotus. She's having a small lotus in her hand, and it's like a small mandapam with the flower, and there are two big elephants guarding her with a modern necklace or the choker behind that. It looks so different, so unique. This particular set, we can wear this for any occasions, like even for a modern dress also, even for occasions, any occasions. Here I'm explaining this in my language. So she's having a wealth pot, and this one is also so beautiful earrings, a dancing women. This looks so cute actually, with the peacock stud. This looks so cute. This particular necklace, we can wear it both ways. One side there is rubies, and another side they have emerald. So we can wear it according to our dressings also. This one is like a Lakshmi sitting in a flower garden with her two hands, blessing hands. And in this harem, the Lakshmi is projected outside with the elephants also. And there are two women, two angels, what you call, the pendant. Yes, here you can see two elephants. The two women were carrying diyas, their hands, or they are dancing. And here there are two women sitting. These are the dance poses. Here it's a peacock. It's again our Lakshmi sitting in a flower garden with the two blessing hands. Like both hands she is blessing us. And the whole chain, it looks similar like our pillar in the temple. And this is a unique temple pendant where Lakshmi is sitting inside the mandir. And the whole chain, it has that pillar type of designs. Looks so different. These collections we can use it as Diwali collections or even bridal collections also. They even have this golden tortoise ring also here. Since there was lots of rush, we couldn't capture all the jewelries here. So next time when I have time, I'll do that. And this one was so beautiful. I like this very much. It's like a wedding bracelet or a bangle. Actually, they say it's as a kada. There's a bride and bridegroom in the kada. This is Arabic design of a choker. It's just a sample, guys. They have lots of this type of things. Since I couldn't cover everything, it's just a sample of each pieces. This one is so heavy to wear. It looks so simple, but was so much heavy. And this one was my favorite. I like this very much, and it suits my dress also. It matches my dress that day. This is a diamond necklace. This is diamond, right?
Yes.
Here it was explaining me how to buy this necklace, like what's the pricings and all.
18 carat. And diamonds have its own weight, which is mentioned in the tag itself. You can see the price tag. It's clearly mentioned. The gross weight is 61.25 grams. And the net weight, which means after reducing the stone weight, it is 54.93 grams.
So when we buy, you reduce the stone weight, right? The gold diamond weight you reduce.
Yeah, here when you buy, you have to pay the gold separate and the diamond price separate, and the color stone price are separate. You can I can show you the plan.
डिवाइस में ये एमआरपी का प्राइस है, सेपरेट प्राइस है.
The diamond bangle. This is of my size. Yes. So you tell me how much it costs for this diamond. How will make the pricing list and all.
करवा दे वो भी एक पीस है It has 16,300 riyals around, and the specification of
So single bangle price or both?
single bangle.
Single bangle.
Yes. You see the gold 3,675 riyals, and for the diamonds it's around 2.03 carat, and the price is coming 10,795. And the last one is the making cost, which is 1,929.
So this per gram or for whole bangle?
The whole bangle, and the total price is 16,363 riyals.
So the gold you are using here is
That is 18 carat.
18. So for diamond jewelry it is 18 carat.
Right. So this is 22 carat. This is traditional type. This is 22. 17.13 grams at the rate to 14.5 grams price. It is 3,675. Yes.
Even allowed me to wear the necklace when this suits my dress that day.
$53,679 for the necklace and 12,700 for the earrings. Around 67,000 approximately. Gold is in 18K.
No, the diamonds.
Diamonds. In the necklace, it's coming 6.3 carat of diamonds with 1,154 stones on the necklace. And the earring, it is 1.32 carat with 250 stones together.
Together.
Yes.
This is real ruby, right?
Really.
So you have the price for ruby also separate.
This is not real. This is color stone only. It's not real.
Here I am wearing uncut diamonds. These were my favorite jewelries there. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I wish you everyone a happy and safe Diwali. We'll meet you in the next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you for watching my video.